Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix multi-snap option not showing on Snapchat. So let's get into the video. So if you have issues with your Snapchat, so what you can do is some basic troubleshooting tips here that you can try to fix this is such as like what you can do. Firstly, there might be some glitches on your Snapchat app. So you can just go to your Play Store and see if there is an update for your Snapchat, and if it is so, then just update your Snapchat, and that should fix up the glitch and it should be fine. For example, here, so there's an update on my Snapchat, so you just have to update it and that should fix up the glitch. Or else what you can do, you can also open up your at the Snapchat settings, go to your Snapchat settings, and then once you're in your Snapchat settings, you'll go to your storage option here, and then here try to clear your cache and see if that works. And once you've done with that, then finally what you can also do, you can try to reinstall the app. So you can try to delete the Snapchat app and reinstall the latest version, and that should mostly fix up the issue. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.